Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials: logos, sponsor art, team names, bracket details, and a high-res hero image right away. Once assembled, create your canvas size, 1080 x 1920 for mobile, plus 1920 x 1080 for landscape export, so you design to scale. Next, lock a color palette, 2 main colors and 1 accent, with a bold display font for headlines and a legible body font. This prevents rework and keeps hierarchy clear. Make sure proportions and margins are You now build the core layout using a grid, 12 columns with a 24px gutter, to anchor elements precisely. Place the event name prominently at the top, date and registration below, and prize pool or bracket call to action in a secondary focal area. Once done, add your hero image and apply a 70% opacity overlay so text stays readable. Make sure to use contrast and small drop shadows for separation. Also, align sponsor logos in a uniform row and check spacing with the baseline. You finish by exporting correctly. Export web PNG/JPEG at 72 dpi and a 300 dpi print PDF with 1/8 inch bleed for printers. Then create social-ready crops, 1:1, 9:16, and 16:9, and compress while preserving quality so file sizes meet upload limits. Once exported, test images on device screens, and in print proofs, verify sponsor logos and text contrast, and confirm legal copy. Troubleshooting tip: if text blurs after export, rasterize fonts or increase export resolution and re-export immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.